Recently, we've been seeing a more traditional north-south split in our temperatures. Friday's highs saw 10 and 11 along the south coast, and close to those temperatures across much of the southern part of England. Cooler temperatures further north and very cold in parts of Scotland. Low temperatures last night down to -12 in Loch Lascarnoch. In the Highlands, -10 in Altnahara and -9 in Aviemore. So spare a thought for those locations if you felt chilly today. Well, let's take a look at the forecast coming up as we enter the new year and beyond. This is how it's been looking this afternoon, with some rain in the area, particularly for northwest England. Then coming into the southwest, another band there tonight, and it's going to be an absolute washout for many of us on Friday night into Saturday. Pretty much most of the country. Those north of that rainfall will probably fall below freezing again as well, so northern hills could fall as sleet or snow in some of those areas as well into Scotland. And further north into the Highlands. So looking into Saturday, could be some snow in Scotland throughout the day there if the temperatures struggle to get up, and you can see that band remaining at bay to the south, but temperatures are recovering a little bit. High temperatures of 11 or 12 in the southern part of England, remaining just below 10 degrees in most of the northern parts of England into Scotland. So looking at Saturday evening, you can see that rain band still in the area again, and more heavy downpours likely in northern parts of England and into Scotland and Northern Ireland Saturday night into Sunday. So occurring at night again. Should be rain in most areas there. Central and northern Scotland might see some sleet and snow again as temperatures go down to about 1, but elsewhere temperatures are significantly higher than tonight. So taking a look at New Year's Eve, clearing up in the Midlands and eastern parts of England throughout the day, but along the west coast, the Irish Sea coast, and some parts of the south coast as well, it's going to remain wet down there, and temperatures generally between 5 and 10 in those clearer areas, perhaps a little bit cooler. So you can see another rain band moving through there overnight. They all happen at night by the looks of things. And on New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, as we ring in 2018, it's going to sort of be split in two banks of rainfall there. Northern parts of England, wet, southern parts as well, but in the Midlands, the middle area there, and into Wales, it should be mostly dry and not too bad a day as we enter New Year's morning, as we enter the first day of a new year. And you can see the rain staying mostly at bay in the south, just little bits here and there in the north, mainly in the northwest, and especially along the western coast of Scotland. Another cool day, could be some sleet and snow in northern parts of Scotland, as is not too uncommon at this time of year, 4 or 5 degrees. And then looking at Monday night, you can see some rain lingering there in northwestern England, and most of it evaporating away. Most areas should have a dry night, but you can see again another band of rain creeping through Ireland as we enter the early hours of the morning. But look at that, below freezing in many areas there, particularly rural areas. The cities of England should remain above freezing. Most of Scotland's going to freeze Monday night, despite rather a large amount of cloud cover. So looking into January the 2nd, not February, January, going ahead of myself, you can see lots of heavy rain moving in again. This is a little bit further out on the model run, but it looks pretty likely that we're going to see this warm front moving in, delivering warmer temperatures by the time it pushes through, but heavy rain in the meantime across all of the country, and then continuing overnight as well for most of us as well, and then moving through. The worst part there is going to be Cumbria and northern parts of England on Tuesday night, and the temperatures recovering again, except for the Scottish Highlands, which will probably see more dumps of snow occurring there, and possibly down to lower levels again as well. And so into Wednesday, you can see again that rainfall still lingering for most areas, but clearing in the eastern part of the country by the later hours of the day, and it looks like the western coast will be in for it yet again with more rainfall. We're barely keeping dry at all in the next 5 days, 6 to 9 degrees generally on that one. Well, it's an ever-changing picture, and you can find out the latest on the website, force13.com/ukwarn.html. In the meantime, we'll have another update for you tomorrow, whilst you try and keep on top of this rain situation, and of course, watch out for flooding, and stay safe. That's all for now.